It's that time of year to wrap presents and Bibles. It'll be here before you know it. So I'm going to show you how to make a bow in less than 20 seconds. Here we go. So we want to start by getting a ruler in inches. Take the ribbon and measure the ribbon the full 12 inches. Now take your middle finger and wrap the bow around twice to keep it in place. Now take your pointer finger and wrap the bow around once. Take it over and under. Now take the tail of the ribbon over and tuck it under and pull. Now you have your ribbon. And you can always adjust it to make the bow bigger or the tail longer. And cut as desired. There you go.